Are you fed up with water, mud and dirt landing on top of the front bumper? This is the product you need.
Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be installing these Fender flare gap fillers by Mabett. They just fill this gap in between the fender flare and the bumper to stop dirt and debris getting on top of your bumper and making a complete mess of it. These ones are specifically designed for the Ford Bronco. So let's go check them out.
This is another smart and well thought out product by Mabett. These plastic inserts have been molded to follow the contours of the front fascia and also the upper edge of the modular steel bumper. It's a simple 2-bolt installation on both sides. First off, you need to remove the rearmost Bronco bolts from the modular steel bumper. And now you can insert the gap filler. I found that even from the factory, the modular steel bumper is installed unevenly. So you just have to play around with the gap filler slightly to make sure you get it laying in there perfectly. Once you're happy, reinsert the bolts and tighten them down. I've made it look straightforward here, but they did actually need some adjustment to get them to fit nice and flush. Then simply repeat the process on the other side. Again, on this side, I did have to adjust it a couple of times to make sure it was sitting flush. And once you're happy, tighten down the bolts. I've added a link to this product in the description below, and also a link to the non-Sasquatch version as well.
So as you can see, it was really a quick and easy install. Remove these 2 bolts, slide the piece into position, put the 2 bolts in. You have to finagle it a little bit just to make sure it gets in place. It should give you a nice V on the front profile when you look at them, but overall it works really well. It's mitigating a lot more of the dirt and mud and water that's getting up on top of the bumper, and it just gives a nice kind of finished look to this area. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.